Yes. Welcome to Morning Blend. Social Security pays disability benefits, but the application process can be confusing. So today, what to do if you want to appeal a decision and where to turn for help. Zwirlein is an attorney with Tabak Law, a firm that handles thousands of claims every single year. Great to see you.
Thanks for having me.
Appreciate it. I do think that when it comes to Social Security disability, people maybe have a sense that they should apply for the benefit, but a lot of times it's confusing.
It is a very confusing process, and Social Security pays a number of benefits, so sorting out what one you might be eligible for can be difficult. Social Security has a website and they'll provide information there, but I always tell everyone, talk to somebody who does this day in, day out. They're going to be able to get you information quickly and sort through kind of your situation and get you to where you need to go right away.
Yeah, talk to an expert. I like that. So what is Social Security disability? What is this benefit?
Yeah, so when people are working and paying their taxes into the government, their FICA tax actually is going into this fund that the government holds. So basically it's like an insurance premium that you pay every paycheck or every month when you're paying. So if you become unable to work, you have some health issues, you can't, do what you used to do, that benefit is there then to pay in lieu of your wages if the government finds that you meet their criteria for disability.
And that's probably on their website too, all the criteria. Can you walk us through the application process? So say someone is going to apply for Social Security disability. How does that work?
Yeah, so there's two parts to the application. The first part is going to be sort of technical information, name, address, Social Security number, sort of obvious things you would expect, are you married, all that. And then the second part is going to get into your medical. So you're going to need to know your doctor's names, their address, phone number, everywhere that you've been treated for all of your conditions, not just the one that maybe bothers you the most or that is maybe the most serious. They're going to actually look at you as a whole. So all of that information will be helpful on the application.
And because you just mentioned that, I'm sure it's important to keep good records and to have that information available to you and keep track of all of it so that if you're applying, you're ready to go with all the information. So if a person returns to work, do they need to then notify Social Security?
Yeah, that's definitely something that you want to keep Social Security updated on. There's kind of a different process if you are in the application phase, so you're still waiting for a decision, versus once you've been approved for benefits. It's a different process. But if you're working with an attorney, obviously that's something that they can guide you through, and you can let them know and they can kind of figure out, okay, what do we need to do about this? If you've only been working a couple days and you're going to just see how it goes, maybe you don't need to tell them. But, if you keep doing the job for a period of time, then you probably have to notify them.
You have to notify them. Can someone receive unemployment benefits and Social Security disability benefits at the same time?
Yeah, so that's a really complicated question, and I get that one a lot because when people are waiting for their decision, it can take months or years even, and so they may file for unemployment and may even keep looking for jobs while they're waiting for Social Security to make that decision. So you can get both benefits. It can sometimes hurt your case, and it sort of depends on your situation. They're looking at things like your age, the nature of the jobs that you might be able to do or that you're applying for. So kind of short answer, yes, but you definitely want to talk to somebody because it can sometimes have a negative effect on your case.
Yeah, and I'm sure it's hard for people to decipher, is this something that's going to be a problem or not? So another reason to ask an expert like yourself. Does short-term or long-term disability affect your Social Security disability benefits?
Well, it depends. So there's two types of Social Security benefits that we primarily deal with. So one is called SSI and the other is SSDI. SSI is a needs-based program. So if you have any other source of income or assets, they're not going to allow you to receive that SSI benefit. So obviously short-term or long-term disability would count as that. Now, if you're getting the SSDI benefit, that's the one where I was talking about. You pay your FICA tax into the system. That usually is not going to have an effect on your short-term or long-term. There can be issues sometimes after you're approved, getting sorted out. Sometimes they have repayments that they'll require. You can't get benefits for both, but that's certainly something that could be sorted out later.
Do veteran benefits affect this Social Security disability?
Yeah, it's sort of the same thing, right? If you're applying for the needs-based program, receiving veterans benefits at the same time will probably disqualify you because they're going to say, well, you have this other source of income. But if you're doing the SSDI benefit, you can definitely apply for both. And that's something that my partner does. He does the veterans side of things as well.
If someone's not sure about all this and they've heard this information, they've maybe looked at the website for Social Security disability, they can come in and do a consultation with you and people at your firm, right?
Yeah, absolutely. We do free consultations. We do them over the phone or in our office. You know, for a lot of people, getting around can be tough, you know, if you're dealing with health issues. So phone is oftentimes more convenient. But we do email, letters, you know, any way you want to contact us, we're here.
That's great. And it's wonderful that it's a free consultation too. Thank you so much. Here's the information for Tabak Law. The consultations are free. Call them at 414-351-4400. You can visit them online at tabakattorneys.com. Great to see you. Thank you so much for your time.